Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Tidbits. I'm your host, and today we're diving into Chroma, an open-source embedding database that's making waves in the world of machine learning applications. Now, if you're wondering what an embedding database is and why it's crucial for building applications with large language models, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. So what exactly is Chroma? Well, it's touted as the fastest way to build applications using Python or JavaScript that not only understand, but also remember data. Imagine being able to create a smart application that can chat with your documents. Pretty neat, right? Now let's break it down. At its core, Chroma allows developers to easily set up an in-memory or persistent database filled with embeddings. Those are essentially numerical representations of data that help computers understand and work with it. Think of it like this. If you were to turn a beautiful sunset photo into a list of numbers, those numbers would capture the essence of that image. Chroma takes care of all the behind-the-scenes work of turning your documents into these numerical forms so you can focus on building your app. Something that may come up in our discussion is the concept of embeddings. You might be asking, why do we need them? Well, embeddings allow machines to find similarities between different pieces of content. For example, let's say you want to search your photo library for a famous bridge in San Francisco. By using embeddings, the algorithm doesn't just look for text matches, but understands that the Golden Gate Bridge is what you're after, as it can recognize the essence of that concept. Chroma is designed to make this entire process simple and developer-friendly. It features a straightforward API with just 4 main functions. That's right, 4, which makes it super easy for both novice and experienced developers to get their hands dirty. You can create collections, add documents, and even query them, all with just a few lines of code. Now imagine developing an application where a user can chat with their own data. You can add relevant documents to the database and query them using natural language. This means that instead of wrestling with tricky search terms, users can simply ask questions, and the application intelligently retrieves the answers. It's kind of like having a personal assistant who knows exactly where all your information is stored. And if you're curious about improving your machine learning projects, Chroma's built-in integrations with popular tools like LangChain and LlamaIndex make it incredibly versatile if you want to scale your applications. Before we wrap things up, let's talk about the community around Chroma. It's growing rapidly, and they're inviting contributions and ideas from developers everywhere. They even have a Discord channel for discussions and a transparent roadmap for future developments. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just curious, there's a spot for you in the Chroma community. To sum up, Chroma is truly transforming how we think about data interaction in machine learning. It makes it easy to create applications that not only process information, but learn and remember, allowing for a more intuitive user experience. If you're interested in experimenting with data and creating smart applications, I highly recommend checking it out. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Tidbits today. If you have any thoughts or questions about Chroma, or if you want to share your own experiences with embedding databases, feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep exploring and coding.